while we've been working with students to develop their confidence, their conduct and their concentration, as well as so many other traits, we have come across something which works every time to build a child's confidence, but also has an amazing impact on their emotional intelligence. And it's a huge part of our methodology. It's actually part 4 of the Warrior Method, which is to lead. So this is a bit of a hack that we use to get amazing results really, really quickly in our clubs in building confidence. So from a very, very young age, I'm talking 4 years old, even as a white belt, we get our students to teach each other. And by doing that, they're learning how to communicate. So when a child teaches another child a technique, not only do they need to try and find a way to explain it so the other child can understand it, which requires, amazing communication skills at a young age, but they also learn the technique better, so they improve their own technique. They also become confident in vocalizing instructions and that sort of stuff, which is a great way to build confidence. But the biggest part of that is we bring them to the front of the class, and it's now part of our grading syllabus, or it has been for the last 8 years, to teach the whole group. So in order to get the yellow stripe with us, a child, doesn't matter if they're 4 or 5 years old, or 10 or 11 years old, or 16 years old, they've got to come to the front of the class and teach the whole group. Now, when we have them working in pairs and working in small groups and going through this leadership training, we find it has an amazing impact on their emotional intelligence. So they've really got to try and understand the people they're working with, how they can communicate with them better, how can they, cater what they're saying to their individual needs, the unique needs of the group. Sometimes we put them with more advanced students, older students, sometimes we put them with younger students. And what we found is that students who go through this, their behavior improves because their emotional intelligence improves, and they have a higher level of empathy because they understand other people in their group. They understand their peers better, especially when they're on the spot and they have to be the leader. So it's just a bit of a confidence hack I wanted to share with you guys that we've developed from working with over 5,000 students around the world. So I hope you enjoy that one.